Today's adventure, the highest point in Holyoke. Happy Wednesday everyone and welcome to Adventure Wednesday. Today we're in my hometown of Holyoke, Massachusetts at the base of Mount Tom. At a height of 1,202 feet, it is the tallest mountain in the 100-mile-long Metacomet Ridge. Joining me today is Amanda, and I brought you guys up here during Season 5 in the middle of a snowstorm. If you want to check that video out, the link will be up here or down below in the description. Anyways, let's get out of the truck and get started. A 20-minute hike later, we've arrived at the top of Mount Tom. Alright everyone, back in the truck where that is going to do it for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the footage, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see everybody tonight for Beyond the Adventure. Peace.